Hey everyone, picture this. You wake up one morning, stretch your arms, and instead of rolling out of bed, you shoot straight up through the ceiling like a human rocket. No warning, no coffee first, just whoosh into the wild blue yonder. What if gravity flipped overnight? What if down became up and we all started falling toward the sky? Buckle up or don't, because there might not be any buckling left. Let's dive into this cosmic prank and see what happens. Okay, first things first. Gravity isn't just some invisible bully keeping your keys from floating away. It's the glue that holds our world together. Earth pulls everything toward its center with this gentle but firm tug. But in our what-if world, poof, that tug reverses. Suddenly, the planet's pushing everything outward, like it's dying to give us all a giant shove into space. No more standing on solid ground. Your feet, useless. The floor, a launch pad. Step 1 in this upside-down chaos, the immediate freak-out. You're in bed dreaming of pancakes when, bam, your blanket drifts up, your pillow follows, and suddenly you're tumbling through the air like a leaf in a hurricane. But not gently. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in seconds. People on the streets? They launch like confetti from a popped balloon. Cars peel off highways, flipping end over end. Imagine your grandma's antique vase sailing past a flock of confused pigeons. Hilarious? Sure, until you're the one yelling, "Not my Netflix queue." Houses? They groan, crack, and then sproing. The roofs lift off first, followed by walls and furniture in a bizarre yard sale across the clouds. But wait, it gets weirder and way more dangerous. Step 2, the great untethering. Trees uproot like they're auditioning for a magic show. Mountains? They crumble and cascade upward in slow-motion avalanches of rock. The oceans? Oh boy. Water doesn't like being pushed around. It'd surge away from the planet in massive, glittering tsunamis heading skyward, leaving behind a soggy, fish-flopping seabed. And the air? Our atmosphere would start puffing out too, turning the sky into a thinning soup. You'd gasp for breath as oxygen molecules join the exodus. All those helium balloons at birthday parties? They'd finally feel right at home dragging kids along for the ride like accidental astronauts. Now step 3. The planet fights back or falls apart. Physics isn't forgiving. Without gravity's hug, the whole surface layer, soil, buildings, billions of us, would peel off like the skin of an overripe orange. Earth's spin and that outward shove create a whirlwind of forces. Stuff near the equator might whip around faster, slinging toward the stars like fastballs from a cosmic pitcher. Polar ice caps? They vaporize on the way up, raining frozen shards from above. Animals go nuts, elephants trumpeting as they hover. Squirrels treating the treetops like trampolines. And us humans? We'd be a mix of screams and selfies clinging to anything with a tether. We'd form a glittering debris cloud orbiting Earth, an accidental ring like Saturn's, but way messier. Your morning commute? Now it's a 0G ballet with flaming debris. And the climax? The big gut punch reveal. In minutes, not hours, our world unravels. That fluffy cloud of junk we become, it doesn't last. Solar wind from the sun starts picking at it, scattering us further. Some bits might loop back and smack into the planet like misguided boomerangs, carving craters where cities used to be. The shockwave alone could crack the crust, letting magma burble up in fiery geysers. Earth survives, sure, it's a tough rock, but we'd be toast. Literally floating away, a human confetti parade doomed to drift until we freeze or burn up. Shocking, right? One flip and poof, goodbye cozy planet, hello eternal spacewalk. Whew. So, what does this wild ride teach us? Gravity isn't just a downer, it's our anchor, our dance partner in this cosmic tango. Without it, we'd be adrift in the void, missing the simple joy of a solid step. Next time you stub your toe on the coffee table, thank the stars for that pull. It's what makes pancakes land butter side up most days. If this flipped your world, hit that like button to keep the what-ifs coming. Drop a comment. What's your craziest gravity glitch idea? A world where we bounce like rubber balls? Tell me below. And subscribe for more brain-tickling science with a side of silly, because who knows what will flip next. See you in the next one. Stay grounded, folks.